This video is called Banging My Head Against a Wall Trying to Get My Meta Facebook Ads Started. If you don't know me, my name's Max. I own Glacier NYC. We're a headshot photography business here in New York City. Right now I'm trying to launch Meta ads, and I have everything ready on the creative side. I have all of my copy ready. I have all of my preference set up. I have all the settings of the ad set up and everything, but I'm struggling to get the pixel to line up with all of my systems. Let me explain. And if you can help me, please let me know in the comments. So my system works as follows. I'm going to just make a quick sketch. So I have a website, and right now I'm using Google Sites, okay? On my website, I have a form, like a form that you fill out: name, email, first name, last name, email, phone number, blank box for their message. So I have a form, right? Now, the form and the website have to work together to do three different things. One, I want the information from my form. When someone goes and fills out the form on my website, I want the information to get inputted into my CRM. So when my name is Max, let's say Max submits the form, I want all the details: name, phone number, email address, message. All of that should automatically get inputted into the CRM so that when I look up the CRM, I can find all the data right away. Two, I want to get a text right away from an automated source saying that my form has been filled out, so that I can immediately call. Basically, the idea is I get a text right away with the phone number, and I press call, and I'm like, hey, how's it going? Thanks for signing up. Like, you want to be getting to your customers within 60 seconds of them signing up. That is when their interest is the highest. Like, they took the time out of their day to fill out your form. You want to get that interest while they're still riding the high interest and attention level before they move on with their life. Everyone's got a million things going on. So if you can catch them right there when they're interested, it's the best. So this is why I want an automated text right away. Okay, and both of these things I've been able to do right away. The form is a HubSpot form, and my CRM is HubSpot. So it's very easy for the form to automatically input the data into HubSpot because the form is HubSpot and my CRM is HubSpot. So they work together as they should. From the form, it's very easy to send an automated text using Zapier, free account. Zapier is an automation platform. If you don't know, you can easily connect HubSpot to their free texting service. So when the form gets filled out, it sends a text to me. Now, the third thing which I want to do, which is not going very well, is for the form to tell my Meta ads or Facebook ads that someone filled out the form. Okay. Oh, by the way, sorry, I forgot the first step, which is the Meta ads sends the Meta advertising on Facebook and Instagram send people to the website to fill out the form. Okay. But when the form gets filled out, the form has to go and say, hey, Meta, someone just filled out my form. Now, this is typically should be very simple with code. You just copy paste the code, the Metapixel code in, or you copy paste the Metapixel code inside of the code for the form. However, because I'm using Google Sites, which is like an archaic website creator, but it's free, it's making it very complicated to do a workaround. There's a way to use Zapier, which has been recommended by ChatGPT and other people I know, where you use a webhook to catch to like, and by the way, I'm totally butchering this because I don't know how it works, but it basically, Zapier catches the form submission and sends it to Meta for simplicity. And the pixel says, hey, someone just filled out a form. But this is the step right here, which I'm struggling to figure out. And I haven't had luck with it yet. Granted, I've only been like working on this for a week or two, so like, it's not like I'm spending like a half a year. I'm sure I will figure it out. But I have been struggling to get all three of these things working at the same time. Now, before I had the HubSpot form, I had a Calendly form on my website. Calendly is a booking software or scheduling software. It is meant for scheduling, and it is meant for booking meetings. It is not meant for filling out forms without then booking a meeting right after. So I had a Calendly form on my website. The Calendly form was able to send the data back to Meta, like in the Facebook, in the Meta Events Manager page. When I submitted the form on my website, the event popped up. It could track form submission. It would see that happening in real time. But because the Calendly form is not meant to send data anywhere, it's meant to send the customer on to a next step of booking a meeting, I wasn't able to get that Calendly form to send a text, and I wasn't able to pull the information from that and throw it into HubSpot because it's not what Calendly is meant for. So I was able to get this step to work, but I wasn't able to get these three. The key here is I need all steps. Step 1, my pen broke. I need step 1, step 2, and step 3 all to work. Okay. So this is why I'm saying I've been banging my head against the wall for like the last week, trying to get this to work, because I have everything else done in my ad except for this step. So if anyone can help, let me know. ChatGPT is trying its best to help me out, but it's user error. I know I'm just like not getting something right. But I want to document the wins and the losses on this channel. The point of this channel is to document anything, any struggles, anything of interest. Hopefully this can help people. I wouldn't recommend Google Sites. It's kind of shit. So yeah, definitely it's going to be a constraint at some point. I don't know. Anyways, thanks. Bye.